Now, the government wants to simplify the existing foreign direct investment policy, and so some changes are in the works. For starters, Press Note 1 will be scrapped, which essentially means that multinationals will now not need their partners' approval for units that they set up in the same field. Let's go straight to Devdatta Das then, who's joining us with more details on that. Well, tell us, Devdatta, what are the key changes and modifications that are being suggested?
Tanya, I will just stick to the most important one, which as you mentioned, is the scrapping of the Press Note 1. Press Note 1, as we know and have come to know, is the fact that one foreign company who has or is in a technical collaboration or in a JV with an Indian partner earlier needed its approval of the Indian partner to enter into an operation of a similar field or in the same field. But now, given the fact that it has been scrapped, a foreign company no longer will need any permission from its Indian partner. In fact, why is it so important is because we've in the past seen several big foreign companies wanting to set up base, wanting to set up operations on their own or with a second JV partner, India, which they were so long not allowed to do. One case in point is the huge Warrior Danone case. There are several other cases that have come up. In fact, as I may read out, there was one case when Tata Motors subsidiary Telcon had approached the FIPB when its US-based JV partner John Deere wanted to set up a JV with Ashok Leyland. So there are several such cases and several big companies that even in that matter when Indian companies have opposed to their foreign partners from entering into a JV or technical collaboration with any other Indian partner. So that will get eased up, and a big breather to all these foreign companies and a big cheer for FDI per se.